Introduction to cybersecurity. The Internet was not originally created as it is today. It was developed when computers were huge and so expensive that only universities, big businesses, and some governments had Internet. Originally, the Internet was designed to make these large-scale computers communicate by sending information to each other. With the Internet, networks began to take shape. In 1969, Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, ARPANET, was the first computer network created. The Internet grew slowly until the emergence of personal computers in the 1980s, and then it became widespread. Today not only personal computers but other devices like phones, cars, refrigerators, watch, lift and more are connecting to the Internet and communicating everything with each other. But the ease with which all these devices communicate over a network comes at a price: security. One computer can send instructions to another computer to manipulate its functioning and even delete everything on it. Viruses, malware, and identity theft are some of the cybersecurity threats that are causing great difficulty to users today. It is imperative that appropriate measures are taken to provide protection against these difficult threats. The good news is that simple steps can be taken in the cyber world to be protected at all times. Why is data protection so important? Large amounts of data are being created with each passing second. According to the data actually available, by 2018, 50,000 gigabytes of data will be generated every second. By 2020, every human will generate up to 17 megabytes of new data every second. The rate of data creation is growing alarmingly faster than before. According to the study, almost 90% more data has been created in the last 2 years than the entire past history of mankind. By 2020, the total amount of data in the world is set to grow rapidly to 44 zettabytes. 1 zettabyte is equal to 1 billion terabytes or 1 trillion gigabytes. This deluge of data is often important for businesses as well as individual users, making it attractive to attackers. Data is a valuable asset, whether it is financial information and payment details, contact information, personal pictures, or other sensitive data. Any data that individuals or businesses store digitally online on a cloud or electronic storage device needs to be properly protected. This is to prevent data from misuse by unauthorized parties such as phishing scams, identity theft, and intellectual property theft. In addition, there are many reasons why data loss may occur, such as accidental deletions, computer virus attacks, system failure, data corruption, and natural disasters. There is no simple solution or tool that can be implemented to protect data against various types of threats. Therefore, it is always prudent to make a secure backup of your data to avoid these risks. Your digital assets may include the following: social media account, email and communications account, e-commerce account, online banking account, cloud computing account, website and blog account. Any computing hardware including the following: desktop computer, external hard drive or flash drive, tablets and smartphones, e-readers, digital camera. Intellectual property including the following: copyright, trademark, patent, design, trade secrets. What is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity means that everything you do is protected online, so no one can use your financial and personal information for their own benefit. Panama Papers, Yahoo hack and Ashley Madison are some of the recent high-profile cyber attacks such as data breaches that have caused great harm to organizations and the general public. The term cybersecurity was coined in 1988. March 16, 1971, Creeper virus discovery. During the age of ARPANET in 1971, some users of the network were surprised when their screen displayed the phrase, "I'm the creeper, catch me if you can catch me." At the time, users had no idea who this could be. The Morris worm or Internet worm was then one of the first computer worms distributed via the Internet on November 2, 1988. This worm was written by a graduate student named Cornell University's Robert Tappan Morris. and was launched on November 2, 1988 from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology's computer systems. This resulted in Robert Tappan Morris being convicted of first felony in the U.S. under the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act of 1986. Worm slowed down many computers connected to the Internet to the point that they had become completely unusable at the time. Common cybersecurity threats. As cyber attacks continually increase in frequency and become sophisticated, knowing how they act and how to stop them before they affect you or your business. This can go a long way in understanding the minds of cyber criminals.
Thanks for watching this video and subscribe Information Perspective channel for more updates.